Let me start with something blunt today. Most D2C brands don't struggle because of money. They struggle because of confusion. Everyone thinks performance marketing is a magic button. But if your basics are broken, no agency, no freelancer, no platform can save you. Today, I will show you the real reason brands fail and how to fix them in simple way. The first part of this video is the number one reason brands fail. They expect ads to fix everything for them. Let me give you a simple picture. For example, let's say you sell a face serum. Good product, good formula, but your landing page looks average. Your reviews are weak. Your creatives say nothing about real problem your product solves. Now, when you run ads and you expect sales to skyrocket, it won't happen. Ads cannot fix a weak story. Ads amplify what's already working for you. If the product and the communication are not matching, ads will only reveal the cracks faster. That brings me to the second part. They don't understand the buying journey. People don't buy the first time they see your ad, especially in D2C category. Let me explain this with the help of an example. Let's say you are selling a sleep mask. Someone sees your ad for the first time and they scroll. Then they see your ad again after 2 days. Now they search for best sleep mask. They compare 3 brands. Then they save your page. Then after 4 days, they finally buy. This is a regular consumer journey now, not a one-click miracle. Most brands stop their ads too quickly because they judge the performance only on day 1. They don't track the whole cycle, and that is what kills scale. Part 3. They reuse the same creatives for months. This is one of the biggest killers. Meta and Google both need fresh signals. If you keep pushing the same creative again and again, the platform has nothing new to learn from. Let's say that you are selling a protein powder this time. Your only creative is a shaker mixing shot. But people want answers. They want answers like, is this good for weight loss? Is it safe for women? How to use it in smoothies, for example? Or what does it taste like? Does the product help in recovery? If you don't show these angles, you choke the algorithm. Fresh angle creates fresh intent, and fresh intent builds scale. Part 4. Their landing pages don't help the buyer decide. Imagine you buy a kitchen appliance. What do you want to know? How big is it? What can you make with it? How long it lasts? What other buyers said? Is the price justified? Most D2C pages do not answer these basic questions also. They show big images and not enough clarity. They show benefits but not real proof. They hide shipping info until checkout. When a buyer feels unsure, they eventually leave your website and ads look bad. But the real problem is the page where people are coming when they click on your ad. The next part is they don't check the numbers that matter. Most founders look at ROAS only. According to me, that is the last number you should be checking. There are simple questions you must answer first. Are people clicking? Are people adding to cart? Are people reaching checkout? Are people buying after 3 to 7 days? Are some creatives driving intent? Even if ROAS looks weak, if you don't understand what's happening before the purchase, you will always react emotionally. Performance is a chain, not a single metric. The next part is the example that makes everything clear. Let me give you an example that explains all 5 problems in one shot. You sell a posture corrector product, for example. Simple product, huge demand, but you are failing to scale. Why? Because your strategy looks like this. One creative, one angle, one landing page, no fresh content, no tracking of people who take 2 to 5 days to decide, no clarity on who the real buyer is. You pause ads too soon, and you push budgets when the system is unstable. You are fighting the platform instead of helping it. Now imagine you fix it. You add creatives around back pain relief. You add a testimonial from someone working long hours. You show a 30-second how to use demo video. You add a comparison with competitors. Your page shows real reviews. You track add to carts and view content properly. You let your ads run for a week without panic. Suddenly, the same product starts to scale. Not because you spent more, because you addressed reality. Part 7 is the real fix. D2C performance works when 3 things line up. Number 1, clear product story. What problem do you solve? Why should someone trust you and why now? Number 2, strong creative system. Multiple angles, multiple formats, fresh proof, clear idea. And number 3, stable experience. Fast pages, simple checkout, clear messaging, consistent budgets. If you get these 3 right, scaling becomes predictable, not lucky. So my closing thought to you is, most brands don't fail because of ads. They fail because the ecosystem around the ads is weak. Fix the ecosystem, then scale slowly, and you will see the difference in next 30 days. If you want to learn more about scaling and performance marketing, make sure you join my live Dream Performance Marketing Masterclass. The link is in the description, and make sure you hit the subscribe button to get all my latest videos.